I thought you would be mine this Christmas. Ring, ring, ring.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys a very quick video on how to start your lip gloss business in the new year in 2023. Okay, so starting a lip gloss business can be the perfect side hustle that can turn into a main hustle. It's very cost effective. You do not need a lot of money to start off with. I also wanted to share the fact that I have so many resources, okay, like unlimited. I have a playlist which you can check out. It'll go into detail how to make lip glosses, marketing, producing, inventory, pricing, everything all free. I also have a membership program on my new website, the Thriving Boss Hub. It's called the Girl Boss Member and it is £40 for 12 months. And during these 12 months, you are going to receive the following. You will get regular entrepreneurial videos specific to cosmetic businesses, specific to starting your own lip gloss business. I'm going to be doing a direct webinar on how to start a lip gloss business. You will also get recipe booklets on all of my Sheer Makeup lip gloss products. So it's going to have the vendors, how to make the product, pictures, everything. It's kind of like a little booklet of all my best-selling lip gloss products. You'll also receive all of my vendor lists, so every vendor that I have used for all of my products, whether it was the containers, lip gloss tubes, pigments, everything I will include, and I'll also include some recommendations for some new vendors if you want to have options. There will also be mindset content and resources just to keep you going, because at the end of the day, the best way you can grow your business is by being consistent and by challenging your mental thoughts, but that's not easy, and that's why this membership is here to provide resources for you to continue. You will also receive a copy of all of the Sheer Makeup ebooks. So if you are wanting to invest in the ebooks but you don't want to pay small money here and there, if you invest in the membership for £40, you'll be entitled to all of the ebooks that I sell. And lastly, there is a forum where you can ask questions, where you can update me on your business progression, where you can basically communicate with me and I communicate back and help you and provide you with the guidance that you need. So all of this just for £40, and that's for 12 months. I think it's very cost effective. So I'm going to have my links down below, or alternatively you can just buy my simple ebooks, which is currently on sale. My ebooks are literally cheap, from like $5.99 up until like $10.99 right now. I'm making sure that there's a sale because it's a recession out here, so I know times are hard, but let me just share a few tips that can help you if you just want to get a little bit of a push and just a little bit of gems. So the first thing you want to do is create a business plan. I already have a video on how to create a business plan, so do check that out. But creating a business plan is going to outline exactly what it is you are wanting to start. You don't just have to start a personalized lip gloss business where you just sell lip glosses. You could start a cosmetic brand where you can do lip glosses and lashes. When I started, I did lip gloss, lashes, and I sold hair clips as well. So it was kind of like a boutique inspired. You could start a boutique and just sell all different miscellaneous beauty products. Put that all down into your business plan, so you're literally taking all of your ideas and putting it on a piece of paper, because it's going to make it a lot more easier moving forward throughout the progression of building the brand. Number two, when you're ordering inventory, you want to focus on getting samples rather than buying bulk. And this is something I have to reiterate a lot, because if you buy bulk and you find out that selling lip glosses isn't for you, or it doesn't sell, that's going to be a huge financial loss. And right now, this is not the time to waste money. Every penny counts, so you want to focus on testing and trialing different vendors by asking for samples. Don't pay any more than like £30 to £40 for each sample size. If you're looking at lip gloss tubes, don't spend any more than £40. Obviously this is excluding shipping and custom fees. You just want to get a small amount and test different styles to see what works for your brand. So number three, while you're creating your test run product, create videos and pictures around it. When you're doing this, you're already creating what I like to call a content bank, and this is going to allow you to create a social media page ahead of time before your launch, but I'll get into that tip later. But basically start creating content whilst you're creating your products, so you have content ready, and it's going to make it a lot more easier for you to be consistent. So the next tip is basically to create your social media pages and start posting content ahead of time. So if you're posting content ahead of time, you are going to be more likely to get a sale once your launch day comes. You want to build this demand. You want to kind of provide like a little teaser of what it is to expect from your brand. You can even create a YouTube channel documenting your journey in entrepreneurship. I did this. I already had a YouTube channel before I started my lip gloss business. I documented so much of my journey, which you can watch in my playlist, Start a Lip Gloss Business. You will literally find my whole journey, and I even love watching it myself sometimes just to see the growth and the development and how much I've changed as a person. So yeah, just document your journey, start posting aesthetic pictures of lip glosses, and also start posting your own lip gloss products, as this is going to help you to grow an audience, and this is what we want because this is going to make it more likely for you to make a sale. Next tip is to create an ad budget. Now, I don't recommend running ads when you first start your business. You want to keep it as organic and as basically natural as possible, but you want to have an emergency ad budget there. When you want to give your posts a little bit of a boost, then you can use your ad budget to run ads and to actually get your business to grow. Ads is an amazing way to grow your social media platforms, grow your business, but you need to make sure you're doing it strategically. If not, you're going to waste money, and also your organic reach on your page might reach a decline. And my last tip, when you launch, you want to make sure you are closely analyzing your analytics. Basically, watch the product development and see what's selling, what's not, so you can make the most informed business decisions. For example, if you have a lip gloss called Apple and she ain't selling, Apple is not selling, but Blueberry is selling, you want to make sure you increase the inventory for Blueberry and maybe put Apple on a pause, because if you don't analyze, you're not going to know the fact that Apple isn't selling, and you might end up buying inventory to make more Apple when she's not even giving what you need, and then you might not be investing as much in Blueberry and she's giving you what you need. So it's all about analyzing your analytics very closely and very frequently. Okay, that is it for the video. I hope it was helpful. I will leave all the links below so you can check out the membership program and also my ebooks. Obviously, it's a new home. It's not on the Shea Makeup website anymore. It's with the Thriving Boss Hub, which is my new little space for women who want to level up. We're just leveling up, self-development all year next year, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.